Insta Etch marking systems. Use the innovative Insta Etch smartphone application to design and print your high-resolution etching stencils completely without wires. Advanced functions include multiple line and logo printing, VIN barcode scanning with validation, and auto-reporting, among others. Effortlessly scan a standard or 2D QR-type barcode using the app's integrated barcode scanner. Within seconds, a preview of your custom stencil is generated. Finish by choosing how many stencil copies to print. Now for the glass etching application. Step 1. Spray Insta Etch stencil adhesive 2 to 3 times onto the shiny side of the printed stencil. Now apply the Step 2 stencil, shiny side down, to the glass. Fully adhere your high-resolution stencil to the glass part using the included plastic card. Steps number 1 and 2 are now complete. Each stencil should now be dry and fully secured to the glass. Step number 3 marking gel is used to finish the permanent mark. Rub, brush, or dab across the attached stencil surface. You want to apply 1 to 2 light coats of step number 3 marking gel. After 5 minutes, your custom permanent etch should now be complete. Remove the stencil in one motion and immediately spray with glass cleaner to neutralize the marking gel and clean the mark. Amazing quality and accurate VIN etching, wirelessly at the vehicle from the palm of your hand.